Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott. Here in, let's see here. Got the birthday city in Aberdeen, North Carolina. We got some first generation Schindler 3300 to the ride. Nice. Going down. It's like 26.15, something like that. That's weird, that button does not beep. Alright, we're going back up to 4. Get cab view. Pretty nice elevators, you know, for a 3300. It's just weird how they're far apart. MRL cabinet there. So these are true MRL. It's very strange that they are so far apart, yet they're on the same controller. So I'll call this one over here. So there's the other MRL cabinet there. Again, this is just something the chimes on these things. Anyway, we're going down to 1. Takes a while to level. There's 1, and voila. We're in the video 1. It's Schindler from, looks like 2016. Pretty nice and big elevator. This is 3500. The other one must be 2500. And here we 1. Takes a while to level. Anyway, There it goes. And yeah, I find this really weird because look at this. They should put the call button like right in the middle here, but they're so far apart yet they're in the same controller. But I guess that is going to be it from here.